To become a Muslim, you need to witness that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. This is called the Shahada, and you need to say it in Arabic. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله.